What seafood to avoid with gout on allopurinol? Managing gout while on allopurinol involves being mindful of your diet, especially when it comes to seafood. Gout is caused by high levels of uric acid in the body, and purines found in certain foods break down into uric acid. While allopurinol helps lower uric acid levels, it is still important to limit purine-rich seafood to reduce the risk of gout attacks. Some seafood is particularly high in purines and should be avoided or limited. This includes anchovies, sardines, herring, mussels, codfish, scallops, tuna, trout, and haddock. These types of seafood can significantly increase uric acid levels and may trigger painful gout flares. On the other hand, there are seafood options that have moderate purine levels. Foods like crab, lobster, oysters, and shrimp can be consumed in limited amounts. Depending on your individual tolerance, these may not need to be completely avoided. It is wise to monitor how your body reacts to these foods and adjust accordingly. While allopurinol does not require strict avoidance of any particular foods, reducing intake of high purine seafood can help prevent gout flares and enhance the effectiveness of the medication. Additionally, it is important to limit alcohol consumption, especially beer and spirits, as these can also raise uric acid levels and provoke attacks. In summary, when managing gout on allopurinol, focus on avoiding or limiting high purine seafood such as anchovies, sardines, mussels, and certain fish like cod and tuna. Moderate consumption of lower purine seafood like crab and shrimp may be acceptable based on individual response. Maintaining a balanced diet with controlled purine intake supports overall gout management and complements allopurinol therapy. For practical advice, consider discussing your dietary changes with a healthcare provider to tailor recommendations to your specific condition. Emphasizing a healthy weight, reducing alcohol consumption, and increasing your intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also help in managing gout. Remember that purines from plant sources do not significantly increase gout risk and can be included in a healthy diet.